Seongsan is named after its shape, resembling a grand castle. Ilchulbong means sun-rising peak. The magnificent beauty at the sunrise over the fortress-like top cone made the name Seongsan Ilchulbong. Seongsan Ilchulbong was formed by an Icelandic eruption from a shallow seabed in the late Pleistocene epoch. It has 179-meter high cast-like feature with a bowl-shaped summit crater 570 meters in diameter. The summit crater is 26 hectares in area. Seongsan Ilchulbong has exceptional exposures of structural and sedimentological characteristics, making it a world-class location for understanding volcanic eruptions. This top cone was formed as volcanic ashes spewed and accumulated when hot magma rising from underground interacted explosively with water. Its strata, revealed by erosions by wind and wave, show the sedimentary structures formed at the time of the volcanic eruption. Seongsan Ilchulbong top cone displays the steep sedimentary layers that looks as if they are to flow down from its cliff. While steep slopes cause the soil and rocks flow down, the sedimentary layers of Seongsan Ilchulbong were settled, not to collapse, because the volcanic ashes were moist as the volcano had erupted under the sea. For those reasons, Seongsan Ilchulbong well-preserved volcanic edifice from the time of the hydromagmatic volcanic eruption. Seongsan Ilchulbong witnessed a painful history. In 1943, during World War II, Japanese troops dug 24 cave positions on coastal cliff of Seongsan Ilchulbong to attack the Allied forces. Japanese hid bombs and torpedoes in the caves for suicide attacks, but in vain, owing to Japanese surrender in 1945. Seongsan Ilchulbong was recognized for its outstanding landscape and geological value by UNESCO in 2007 to be inscribed to the World Heritage List. In 2010, UNESCO designated it as a Global Geopark site. For a long time, the sunrise at Seongsan Ilchulbong has been counted the first of the 10 most fabulous scenic views in Jeju. Seongsan Sunrise Festival, held every December 31, induces many people to watch and celebrate the first sunrise of the new year. During the early phase of Seongsan Ilchulbong tuff cones formation, it was an island separated from shore. Later, deposits from erosion by waves were piled up to be a tumble, connecting it to land.